and gentlemen, welcome to On Point FX. Welcome. It's been a while. I hope everyone is good. All right, so today we are going to learn about the right candles. The right candles that move the market when it's on a low or on a high. Okay, so if you are watching, make sure you subscribe. Very, very important. Subscribe to this channel and let's do this together. All right, so it's not going to be waste no more time. Let's move straight to the move to the show. Nigerian man will say better candles. We go show you whether to cake buy or cake sell. Now, so we are going to learn about candlestick. Just two candlesticks, right? Just two. As time goes on, we'll reveal the other candles that can make you a lot of money. These are green light candles that every trader need to know that when you see this candle on your chart, you should know that it's time to take a trigger. It's time for a change of direction. It's time for sellers. It's time for buyers. In this market, we just do two things, right? We do buy and what? Sell. So if you are a trader, it's either you are buying or you are selling. And how will you know? How will you know? Like I always say, it's a language that you need to understand, right? You need to understand this language and know when to do what, go in and when to go out. If you don't understand the language, trust me, you are just wasting your time. So I want to show you the right candles that will make you money. And if you're watching this, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The links are below the video. Just click below the description or the first comment. You can click the first comment and then you can be join the Telegram channel and also use our recommended broker. Just follow instructions and you are good. So we are also going to be we give free signals in our Telegram channel. Free signals, which are, let me see, 80 to 100%, 80 to 99% win rate, because we can't see 100%. Now, we know be God. We are not God. It's only God that can be able to do everything 100%, right? So let's move on. Okay, so guys, so the right candles that we need to know in this market is very, very, very important. It's very, very, very important. Someone will see is very, very, very important, right? So the first candle we are going to look, and you can see on my chart, on my screen, right? We have the bearish engulfing, right? The bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Somebody will see. So what is bearish engulfing? Okay, it's one of the most important candle patterns. The candlestick pattern consists of two bodies. The first body is smaller than the second one. In other words, the second body engulfs the previous one. See the illustration below. So do you understand it? If you don't understand it, let me bring it down. Some people really understand the chart. They really want to see the picture of the chart. You will see, don't worry. So what this means is that when it's a bearish engulfing, that means the candle the candle must be bigger than the previous one. It's short. It must be bigger than the previous one. Now let me show you the illustration so that you know the bearish candle. And these candles do appear a lot. You see, this is the bearish engulfing bar. So this means when you see this type of candle, that means sellers are taking over. And it's not anywhere in the market that you just enter and you see this and you go in. Please, we have right places in the market that you need to locate this candle, this bearish engulfing candle for a sell, right? And so when you see something like this indicates to you that, or tells you that there are sellers coming into the market. And so when you see it at a particular level, that means it's time to do what? Go in. You understand? But not everywhere on the chart that you can just see it and start running. If you do that, you are wrong. That means you've not understood the language very well. So like I said, so anytime you see this candle, bearish engulfing candle appearing at the highs or the lows, at the supports or the demand, right? So if if this appears at the high, there's supply zone. If you see this, that means sellers are changing direction of the market and they are in, right? So that's why you need to join and join our mentorship. Or you can also join our VIP signals. We give VIP signal, exclusive VIP signals. So if you are interested to join our VIP signals, just hit me up on the number. Our numbers are on the screen. You can be part and also enjoy our this year 2025. Like I said, I didn't even welcome everyone to 2025. Welcome you to 2025. Be a member of what's On Point FX, right? Be a member of On Point FX because we are in for the what? We are not here to fake anyone. We are here for reality. We do it as it is, right? If you come into our mentorship, if you come into our VIP, you will enjoy. When we make loss, we all make loss. But we make sure our win rate is 80% to 90% of the time. Do you understand? And most of our members testified that they are making money. Everyone is making money, unless you don't want to make money or unless you are greedy. So look, this is the best time. If you are watching this video, just know that you are blessed and take opportunity now. All right. So the bearish engulfing, like I said, it appears at some the highs or the lows. Sorry. So if it is a bearish engulfing, it should appear at the supply zone, the high. So that means it's going to sell and come low, right? So when you see this at those areas, those highs and lows areas, those supply demand areas, that means sellers are what? So the opposite is what? Bullish engulfing, right? This one is bearish, the other one is bullish. You get me? So let's go ahead. Let's move ahead. This is a very important candlestick that you need to take very, very key look to. So let's read this. This is how a bearish engulfing bar pattern looks like on your chart. So they're just telling that that's how the bearish engulfing looks like, right? So let's move ahead and look at the what's. So look at it. This is the high. So this is an illustration. Those of you that like, yeah. So this is. Let me just use it to do. Okay, good. So I hope you can see. So this appeared at the high here, and what happened? You see the bearish engulfing, right? And the market started shrinking down. You get me? So I always see something like, when you enter a trade with all confirmations right, and the trade is still delaying or is still struggling to go into profits, right? You have to know that you are not wrong. It's not every time that you see everything right and you enter and the trade will just start dropping. No, sometimes it will pull back and even it can go and hit your stop loss. It doesn't mean that the trade you have taken is wrong if you know what you are doing, right? So I always tell my students that you can see everything right. Everything should right. It's on the high. You have seen your candle pattern. You have seen the candles showing that sellers are in the market, and you enter a trade and it's continue going upwards, and you be like, "Whoa," and you start getting frustrated. No, you don't have to be frustrated. You don't have to be worried because you did the right thing, right? That's why we have stop loss. So it's not every time that you enter with the right indications showing that it's going to your direction, and then what happens? And then the trade will do it. The trade will move in that direction. It doesn't work like that. You get me? Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, let's move ahead and watch another what setup. So these are very, very, very important candles. Very, very, very important. So now we are at the bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. So now the bullish engulfing, let's read a little about the bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing bar consists of two candlesticks. The first one is the small body, and the second is the engulfing candle. So that's the illustration now. So the first one is what? A small body, and the other one is what? Just opposite of the bearish engulfing. It's just opposite. You understand? Yeah. So these are very, very, very what key candles that you have to look out for anytime you want to take a trigger. You don't take a trigger without seeing these two candles. And these candles have been in the system for ages. And this is what to tell you that buyers are what? Coming in. Buyers are strong. You get me? So just that I won't waste all my time on this. Let's move ahead and see. So like I told you, this appears at the lows, the demand zones. So when you see a bullish engulfing, that means it appears at the what? The lows. And that is what you are seeing right away there. Right there. Bullish engulfing. This one. Yeah, this one. So they said what? The body is bigger than the what previous one. You get me? So the body, body is bigger than the previous, and you can see it very clear here. That's the bullish engulfing bar. So let's move ahead, and it's very simple. When you see these are the lows, like I said, it have its demand zones. You have to look out for this. It's not everywhere you look out for bullish engulfing. It doesn't work that way. You see market selling and you see bullish engulfing and you jump in. You just meaning you've not understood the trading. You've not understood the language of the markets. So you need to join our mentorship, or you can join VIP signals to be taking trades so that you can make a lot of money and other stuff. You get me? So let's move ahead. Okay, so this is doji candlestick. Doji candlestick. The highest price and the lowest price. You get me? So doji, though we don't even talk about doji. Doji is not part of our. Let's move ahead and look for another strong, very strong candlestick that's is ready to tell you that buy, sell, you sell. These are the candles we look it out for. So this is first candle. So this one is morning star. How many of you have seen it? If you have seen it, type under the comment section. Yes, I have seen morning star. Okay, if you have seen this, just type under the comment section. You have seen morning star on your charts and you are able to identify it. So morning star. Somebody say morning star. What does it mean? Morning. So morning star means it's a bullish what? Move. Bullish candle. Bullish move. So how does this work? A morning star pattern is considered as a bullish what? Reversal. It often occurs at the bottom of a downwards, and it consists of 3 candles. The first candlestick is bearish, which indicates that sellers are still in charge of the market. The second candle is a small one, which represents that sellers are in control, but they don't push the market much lower, and this candle can be bullish or bearish. So now this morning star is simple. It's just a bullish move, and the opposite is the evening star. Morning star means bullish move, and evening star means bearish move. So that's how it is. Like I said, it follows each other, and then the final candle will be what you see. This candle is going to close in red. That's sell candle. This will close in a small body candle, or it can close in a decision candle, and then followed by a morning star, which is going to be which is going to close in a full body like this. And that means buyers are in control, and that's the time you can go in to buy, and then you have more confidence that you have done the right thing. All right, so let's move ahead. And so, like they said, this appears at the lows of the market, the demand area of the market. Do you understand? The demand area of the market. So bearish candle, bullish candle. This is how it works. The chart above as identified the morning star pattern and how it is significant when it's formed at the bottom of a downward or downtrend, right? As you can see, the pattern occurred as obvious bearish trend. Okay, so like they said, the first candle confirmed the sellers domination, and the second one produces indecision in the market. The second candle would be a doji or any other candle. Like I said, the second one can be a doji or a small body candle, and they followed by a bullish candle. So that's the illustration there. That's just the illustration. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. So I think, like I said, these are the most strong and powerful candles in the market that moves the market very, very well. They are very, very strong candles. When you see it, you can be very assured that, okay, the market will go my way. Yes, you can still see this and it will not go your way. So but 90% of the time it will go your way. That doesn't mean you are wrong. Take this from me. So if you want to join the VIP signals, check, that's the flyer on the screen. And then if you want to join same number, you can also join the message You can just WhatsApp. If you're not in this thing, just WhatsApp. Pick the number, WhatsApp, and then you can communicate. It's 24/7 customer care, and then we can assist you and you become a very good trader. And that is the main aim of your trading, is to understand the language of the market. And that is it. Simple as that. So thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful time. Make sure you join, go check the description and join our Telegram channel. And also you can join the you can join our recommended broker. Use the